Within the last couple of hours, we have learned that the public health emergency in New Jersey has been extended. CBS 2's Cory James live tonight for us in Newark with more on this and what it means. Cory.
MREC extension of this public health emergency ultimately extends all executive orders issued by Governor Murphy. That means all non-essential businesses like the one you see behind me must remain closed, and people who are not essential workers must remain at home.
Today, I'm signing an executive order to extend by 30 days the public health emergency that I declared on March 9th and had been previously extended on April 7.
Right out the gate, Governor Phil Murphy was clear, announcing he is extending the Garden State's public emergency 30 more days.
This action does not mean that we are seeing anything in the data which would pause our path forward, and it should not be interpreted by anyone to mean we are going to be tightening any of the restrictions currently in place.
But it does speak to the crisis in New Jersey. So far, there have been nearly 132,000 cases of COVID-positive patients. More than 8,500 of those infected have died. Murphy says the extension will give the state time to execute guidelines put in place last week to reduce the spread.
The planning to expand our testing capabilities, to implement a robust system for contact tracing and securing spaces for those who will test positive in the future to safely isolate continues.
In addition to extending the executive order, Murphy announced new changes to help long-term care facilities where the number of deaths sits at around 4,300. The governor bringing in Cindy Mann, who worked under the Obama administration, and Carol Raphael, who served as president and chief executive officer of Visiting Nurse Service of New York. Both will lead a team to combat the problem and provide support to facilities. Meantime, Murphy is encouraging people to keep fighting and not give up.
We can't give up one bit on the one thing that we know that is working in this fight: social distancing. So continue to stay at home unless it's necessary for you to go out. And when you do go out, please keep your distance from others and wear something to cover your face.
And as you can imagine, a lot of people are upset about this extension that will now go into June. But healthcare workers who are inside those hospitals say if you just spend a minute inside the hospitals, you'll understand why this is happening. Reporting live in Orange, Cory James, CBS 2 News.